How to log in to your Nationwide credit card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to nationwide.axosbank.com. Once you're here, you want to click on the sign in option and select your bank account type. Then over here, if you have not created an account, you want to head over to the register option, then enter your first name, your last name, date of birth, social security number, then create a username and then create a password. Once you have done that, click on the next option, then follow the on-screen prompts and provide all the necessary details in order to create your account. Once your account has been created, you want to click on the login option. Now on this page, you want to simply enter your username. After that, you want to enter your password. Now, in case you have forgotten your username or password, you have the option to retrieve it. You can click on the username option or click on the password option in order to retrieve it. Then you want to click on the login option to log into your account. If you're facing any difficulty, you can click on the option of Chat with Evo, which is the digital assistant. Once you have been logged into your account, you simply want to click on the credit card option, and from there you can check all the details about your credit card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.